Alright,
Alright,
A320
so,
can go.
alright, I'm gonna firewall now. Oh,
Oh, A320. Alright, after A320 has gone, A375 can go. After 75 is airborne, 767 can go, and then so on and so forth.
Roger. Yeah.
Alright, after that, Blue Angels and Red Arrows can take off.
yeah.
Oh,
Yo, hold me. You just, bruh. Just should
alright,
start. Anyways, then.
alright, cool.
Hmm.
You guys can bank right after you have crossed. Let me see.
Over the
Closure.
lake.
Yeah. Gears up once you have reached like
What speed?
500. You guys can fly. You guys can go take off at max speed, and then
100 knots check.
after when you cross the airport, go at 250. Alright.
Mm.
Yeah.
Mm.
So.
Can you just repeat the instruction?
2,000 years later.
Ooh, I am on.
You're a bit high.
Yeah.
Don't worry, it's a touch and go. Oh, that was hard.
Is it?
That was
Yeah.
hard, but touch and go, so go ahead, Milana's turn. You guys can
Alright.
go ahead to 100% throttle after you have touched down.
Yeah.
Go everyone again.
And I full throttled and I'm out.
Okay, this is
I'm gonna make the right turn now, so I'm out of the way of aircraft
Yeah.
trying to take back off.
Alright, Milano smooth. Alright, nose gear down
Yeah.
and nose gear up. Nose gear up, please. Touch and go. It's a touch and go. Thank you. Okay.
Yeah, and I'm gonna land once all the aircraft are landed. I'll go back in for 3-6
Yeah.
left, and I'll respawn it. I'll reset and I'll come to mellow with you.
Yeah, cool. Alright, and now for the 313. I feel like no one is watching except for like one person.
Oh, you're streaming now, are you?
Alright. Alright, everyone's landing. Cool, cool. Alright, now for the military jets, or have they already landed?
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel like they've already landed. Alright. Other planes you can.
One eternity later.
Alright, we're coming.
Oh, I have to go. Oh, Captain Milkman's gotta go. Oh,
You're coming. Alright, see ya, Captain Wolfman. We're gonna announce the other one as well. Alright.
yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, we're coming now.
We're coming. Don't worry. Same
Can I
runway.
go?
You got it.
Same runway. We're coming.
better, I think.
Yeah, we have a Learjet and a CRT. Also, we have another plane, but Captain O'Brien couldn't fly because he had to go, so... Yeah. But we'll show it. We'll show it.
Yeah, he got it right. It's a
That's a
Q400.
different.
Yeah, we're showing off the new fleet. Should we reveal what we've been working on? Because I'm not sure they quite get it.
No. Yeah, we
Yo, that was late. That was late, but butter.
Yeah, it wasn't.
Yeah.
It wasn't my best. It wasn't my best landing. But I bought this Game Pass like yesterday. All right.
Come on, sir.